done. Sorry, Martha.
Sorry, Martha. Today we're gonna test the recipe from Martha Stewart, Queen of Home and Cooking, and we're gonna make her blueberry crisp. It's July, it's the month for blueberries, so blueberries are aplenty. We're both gonna make it in our own kitchens with our own skill sets. We're gonna see how it turns out and if we like it and if we would recommend for you to make it. Let's get started. We're gonna first start with the filling, and it's really easy. It's pretty much dump everything into a bowl. So we're gonna start with a lot of blueberries, sugar, and then we're gonna have cornstarch and a little bit of salt. So Catherine, I'm gonna confess a little bit. It sounds really good, but I wasn't super excited about the recipe, but it doesn't have a crust, like a real crust, and that's the favorite part for me on a dessert is, and this doesn't have it, so I'm curious as to how well it turns out. Okay, and then a little bit of lemon.
I cheated just a little. Sorry, Martha. You know, this entire bowl of blueberry, this is about 3 pints of blueberries for her recipe. But she says 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And I just imagine that, you know, when this cooks, it's going to get really watery. So I added a little bit more cornstarch. And it did say in the recipe, guys, we're going to link the recipe at the bottom in the description, but she does put on her website that if you want it a little thicker, she was okay with you adding the cornstarch.
We're going to put it in an 8-inch pan and then put it in an oven when you preheat it at 375, and that is it for the filling. So after that, then we're going to do the topping.
So first thing we want to do is you want to cream the butter and the sugar. So Martha's recipe says that you need a mixer, but I'm a little lazy and I don't really want to go digging in my pantry looking for a mixer, so I'm gonna use my muscles.
Well, I'm lazy and I don't want to use my muscle to mix it, so I'm gonna use a mixer.
Okay.
Done.
This was a mistake.
I noticed that with the filling, there wasn't actually a lot of sugar. I have my sugar on the side in case of an emergency. We'll have to sprinkle more on top. So this recipe had mixed reviews, right, Catherine?
Yeah, so some people claim that their blueberries turned green after they baked it. So I'm really interested to see if my dish will turn greenish. I mean, it's so blue. I don't know. So now we're gonna add in some rolled oats. Martha says none of that quick cooking oatmeal. It needs to be rolled oats. And then we're going to add some all-purpose flour and some baking soda.
Catherine, I only had the quick instant oatmeal oats. Ooh. So I looked up what rolled oats was, and it looked similar to the instant, so I thought it would be okay.
So guys, if you want to Google and see what happens, Gina will tell you what happened. Okay.
So how do we know when we're done?
I think, it's going to be clumpy. So what we're supposed to do is dig your hands in, Gina. Dig your hands in like this. And you have to make...
And do what?
Make big clumps and drop it on top of your blueberry.
Okay. I'm going to do my best.
Yes. Whoa, I just dropped some on the floor.
Clumps.
It's on the floor. It's on my feet.
What? You are a mess.
Oh yeah, I just dropped more. Help! Before I put this in the oven, I'm really afraid that the blueberries are gonna start popping and get all over the bottom of my oven. So I'm gonna put mine on a sheet pan.
Don't say popping.
Why?
I had a flashback back to when we made the Mexican corn. I got injured.
Guys, if you didn't get a chance, you should watch our review of Chrissy Teigen's Mexican street corn. I'll put a link of it up there. Gina gets attacked by corn. Literally, she got like a little burn from it.
It hurt.
Let's put this in the oven for an hour. And then when it's done, we're gonna let it cool for 30 minutes, and then we're gonna serve it up with a big dollop of vanilla ice cream. Okay guys, the blueberry crisp is done. And Gina, I don't know about you, but mine is beautiful. And it did not turn green like the review said. Did yours?
Yeah, no, it's purple. It's normal. I kind of am disappointed. I wanted to know what made it green.
Let's serve this up. We're gonna take a big dollop of it with the crumble and the blueberry. Yeah, you know, I'm really glad that I added in that extra cornstarch because it's pretty watery.
It scoops up nice, but yeah, it's still watery.
Okay, I'm gonna put a really nice dollop of vanilla ice cream. I'm excited for your reaction.
All right, ready? All right, first, the crisp by itself.
Did it need more sugar?
No, for me, it's perfect. It's really good. Like the blueberry's warm. I like it with the crust, otherwise it would taste like I'm just eating the filling, for me anyway. But the crust is perfect, it's crunchy and it's warm. Oh, and remember I did the do not of using the instant oatmeal, but mine still came out crunchy and it browned real well, so I'm not sure if yours or rolled oats would come out tons better. I think instant oats is okay. Sorry, Martha.
Okay, so first we're gonna rate taste. You ready? 1, 2, 3. A 4.
So it's really good. It's super good, but I knocked off a point because of the runniness. And I didn't know if that should go into the ease of making it or in taste. So I needed to put that somewhere, so I put it in the taste.
All right, you ready to show me what you think?
Yep.
The ease is ready? 1, 2, 3. Yay! It was super easy.
Thanks for joining us. I hope that we were helpful in helping you decide if you want to make it for yourself in your own kitchen. And if you do, please come back and comment below. Let us know how it went and your thoughts, or if you have tips to make it better. Make sure to like the video, and better yet, subscribe so you can see our future videos, and we hope to see you back soon. Thanks everyone. Bye.